Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video, I'll be showing how to make Nuvvula Pachi Pulusu. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. For making Nuvvula Pachi Pulusu, heat an pan and add 1/3 cup of white sesame seeds. Stir and dry roast them in low heat. Dry roast sesame seeds till they slightly changes color. Keep dry roasted sesame seeds aside. In the same pan, add 4 green chilies chopped and dry roast them. Dry roast green chilies till they slightly changes color. Keep them aside. In a mixer, add the dry roasted sesame seeds and green chilies, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Blend them into a smooth paste by adding little water. Meanwhile, soak 50 grams of tamarind in little water. Add some water and mix tamarind well in the water. Remove the pulp and add nearly half liter of water and add salt as required. Add freshly ground sesame seeds paste. Mix well in the tamarind water. Add 1 big sized onion chopped and some coriander leaves. For tempering, heat an pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When oil heats, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir and fry them for a minute. Add 2 split red chilies and some curry leaves. Fry them for a minute. Add this tempering mixture to the Nuvvula Pachi Pulusu. Nuvvula Pachi Pulusu is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.